If you've ever wanted to make an image clickable inside Figma, this video is going to walk you through the exact steps in a simple way. Whether you're building a landing page mockup, a portfolio design, or an interactive prototype, adding a link to an image can make your design feel much more realistic and ready for presentation. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Figma tips and design workflows. Let's jump right in. First, open your Figma file and find the image you want to turn into a clickable element. Click once on the image layer on the canvas so it's selected. This part is important because Figma needs to know exactly which object you want to work with before you can add any interactions. Now, to make the image behave properly in prototype mode, you need to create a frame around it. The easiest way to do that is to right-click on the selected image and choose Frame Selection. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can use Ctrl, Alt, and G on Windows, or Command, Option, and G on Mac. This creates a frame from your image selection, which helps Figma treat it like a component that can hold interactions. Once the frame is ready, look over to the right sidebar and switch from the Design tab to the Prototype tab. This is where Figma lets you add clickable actions, navigation, and link-based interactions. If you're not in the Prototype tab, you won't see the interaction settings you need, so make sure you're in the right place before moving on. Inside the Prototype tab, find the Interactions section. Click the plus icon next to Interactions to add a new action. This is where the magic happens, because now you're telling Figma what should happen when someone clicks the image. For the trigger, set it to on-click. That means the link will activate when the viewer clicks on the image during prototype mode. Next, open the action drop-down and choose Open Link. This tells Figma that instead of navigating to another frame, it should open a web address. After that, paste your full URL into the URL field. Make sure you include the full web address, starting with https:// because Figma needs the complete link format to recognize it correctly. Once the link is added, double-check everything to make sure the interaction is attached to the correct image frame. If you want, you can test it right away by clicking Present in the top right corner and running the prototype. When you click the image in preview mode, it should open the web page you entered. This is a really useful trick when you want to make portfolios, mockups, banners, or website previews feel more interactive. Instead of just showing a static image, you can guide viewers to a real website, product page, or resource with a single click. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference in the professionalism of your design. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick Figma tutorials, design shortcuts, and beginner-friendly walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.